Hello dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine. Today I will be learning about one very effective and efficient method to solve percentage problems. A type of percentage word problem or numerical problem could be solved by this effective and efficient method. For this, we need to know one of the basic concepts. What's the basic concept is that any value that is total value in the problem will be considered as 100%, or any original value or the initial value will also be considered as 100%. So these 2 points we must remember in our next problem. So let's see the problem, what the problem is. It says calculate the following: 5% of 300. So it says that 5% we have to find of about 300, which is the total, which is a total. And we know that the total is 100%. We just find it out, we discussed it. So now 5% is the percentage sign. We need to know about its value. We don't know about its value. So how will be finding its value? So let's make 2 by 2 column, a table of 2 rows and 2 columns. And first column will be naming as percentage, and the second column will be named as value. So now what is the first percentage as a total? This is 100%, so we'll be writing it as 100%, and its value is 100% value is of 300, so we'll be writing 300. Now next is of 5%. So in the percentage column, that is a percentage, so that will be writing in the percentage column, so we'll be writing 5% here, and its value is not given, so that we have to find. Now what we do, we'll be doing cross multiplication. So we'll say that 100 times value, this is the cross value. So first of all, we'll be multiplying the non-given number value with percentage, so that will be of 100 times value is equal to, then on the other side, which is of 300 times 5. So we'll be multiplying this, that 5 times 300. Now to find out the values exact, we'll be dividing 100 by 100 and do the same on the other side. So this cancels and we get the value as is equal 5 times 300. And if we could see that, we could simplify these values. So zeros to zeros cancel each other, so we get it as 5 times 3, which is equal 6. So the 5% of 300 is 6, and that we could say that 5% of 300 is 6. That is the answer. Now looking another problem. This is asking for the percentage increase or decrease. So the first problem says increase 300 by 12%. So it means this is the original value. Original value. So it must be of 100%. Now 12% value we don't know. So then again we'll be making a 2 by 2 column, and then we'll be naming them first as a percent and the second as the value. So now percentage column, there is 100%, so we're writing 100, and 100% is of 300, so that's why we'll be writing 300. 100% is of 300. Now it says 12%, so in the percentage column, because there is a percentage, So this is 12%. So in the percentage column, we'll be writing in the next line as 12, and we don't know about the value, so we'll be writing it as a value. Now we do cross multiplication. So during cross multiplication, first of all, we'll be multiplying the value times cross number, which is of 100 value. So we'll say that, okay, 100 value is equal, then the other side, which is of 312. So we'll be multiplying 300 multiplied by 12. And then we'll be dividing by 100 to get rid of that 100 which is attached to the value. So we'll be dividing the other side by 100. And you can see that this could be simplified. 2 zeros cancels and 2 zeros cancel on the other side. So you see that there is a value is equal 3 times 12, which is of 12 threes are 36. So if we are increasing 300 by 12%, so it means, in other words, we can say that increase 300 by 36. So if we'll be increase means plus, so we'll be adding the numbers. So 300 plus 36 is equal 336, and that is our answer. So now hope you understand that how could we solve the problem, whether it's about increase, whether it's about decrease or percentage problem. So just by using 2 by 2 column matrix or 2 by 2 column table, we can easily find the result of any type of problem. Thank you. Meet you again in the next class. Bye.